while we are delivering that vehicle, I thought let me also give you a quick update on everything. Some chassis that have arrived already for beginning of next year, so we can get going. We've also received 2 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 panel vans, which will also go on quite early next year. Nice. We haven't done one of these in a while. It's always nice to do these. Nice color, this one. Really like the color. There's an Extreme that will be delivered first thing next year. So that seems to be all ready. We'll probably do a walk around with that one in the beginning of the year. Just a quick tour in the factory, which is loud. Guys are in good spirit. Just finishing off a couple of things before the year is out. Or we've had a few questions regarding our high output alternator. Let me give you a bit of feedback on that. So the high output alternator that we installed is in testing phase at the moment. Customer is driving around with it. I believe he's just shy of 10,000 kilometers on it. We've had some reports back continuously on the performance, on the condition. We believe we will be ready to offer it to everybody out there because we've had quite a few requests. Beginning of next year, when we fully completed the test, I think it's important that we do it properly to see if we need to do any modifications to the brackets or to the installation. So far we're quite happy. So just bear with us a little bit. We just need to make sure that we got all the engineering correct and all the processes correct. So hopefully beginning next year we should be able to go to market with that product. So let us know if you're interested or any other comments. Just let us know.